Hey friends, it's Lisa with a process video of a scrap lift for Scrappy Lift-a-thon. I'm lifting a layout by Belinda Jane, and yeah, it was the layout that I just showed, so I thought it was super adorable. I have the same collection, so I thought I would use that layout to scrap lift. So to start, I chose my papers, and then I go through some of the hearts that I have. I use those hearts for a project, and then I thought that I would keep them, which was a very good idea because now I have stencils of hearts in different sizes. And then I went through my papers, chose the papers, and cut out hearts in eight different colors. I didn't do 9 because I knew that photo would like hide one of the hearts, so I thought no use for that. So yeah, here are my hearts, and then I used my stitching machine with gold thread to stitch all around. On Belinda Jane's layout, she hand stitched, which if you have been watching my videos and layouts, you know that I love to hand stitch, but I thought that gold machine stitching would also be very cool and whimsical, so I went with that. And I also didn't want to copy one by one. For the photo, I chose a photo that I took a year ago, just right before COVID. We went on a wellness weekend, and then took a walk, and we saw this cool boat, this swan boat, and I wanted to take a picture. And I think it's a little bit like magical and adventurous, so I used it for this layout. I am doing the same thing that Belinda did with backing her photo. First white paper, then some dark green paper, and then this wood grain paper with like, it looks like a ripped page from a notebook or something. I don't know how she did that, if she did it herself or if she used some kind of some tool, something to do it. I just pierced, like I punched holes and then cut out the little strips to give the effect of the notebook paper. Then I chose a pattern paper for my for the frame of the layout or the border. I did that a lot on my older layouts, but I don't really do it that often anymore because I do a lot of mixed media on my pages, and when I do that and then I put a frame around, it's so hard to take a photo that's really good because you never get the page straight again, and it's very difficult to get that border on the photo without it looking very crooked and very weird. So I stopped doing that on my layouts, like I think a year ago. I don't really know, but yeah. But when I'm not doing mixed media, it's still very beautiful. I love it. And then yeah, I used gold thread again to stitch around the borders, and then I'm going through all of my embellishments from the collection. This collection is called Magical Forest from Crate Paper. It's a collection from last year, and it was super duper cute. The rainbows are also from that collection, and I have a few packs of those because they are so pretty, but I really didn't get the chance to use a lot. I think I used one or so. So this is the second one I'm using, and yeah, it's very cute. So yeah, just going through the embellishments, and some of the things that I used are exactly like Belinda did, but some of the things that I just thought they would look cute on my page, and like I said, I wanted to scrap lift but not exactly copy the whole layout. So yeah. And Belinda used more like boyish stuff, and I always like my pinks and girly stuff, so yeah. But yeah, I used the rainbow obviously, and then some chipboard. The cute little faces there, or heads that you see, are paper clips. Do you call that paper clips? No, it's more like yeah, those clothespins. I think it's clothespins. I never know. But then I took the back side off to, yeah, because I didn't want to clip it on something. I just wanted to like adhere it on something. And yeah, just going through my stickers and stuff, and look what's cute and what is creating some kind of balance on my layout. And these are some clear stickers, and then yeah, here are some more clear stickers. And yeah, what else? I'm sorry, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. This morning I got up at 7, and then I was like, okay, scrapping and yeah, being happy, and then when I'm done like eating for lunch, I'm like, I can't live anymore. I'm too tired. So yeah, but yeah, I wanted to use that little cricket on the bottom and some leaves around, the butterfly on the top, some stickers and puffy stickers and chipboard, and yeah, all of the things. To adhere this cute guy, I used like, what are they called? Sticky dots from Sticky Thumb from American Crafts. They stick like hell. And yeah, and I always I also will use those to stick down my rainbow, because they really stick on everything. Yeah, so placing down the rainbow, I think all of the rest is stuck down, is adhered on my page. And then I'm just going for some gold glittery stars that I put here and there to embellish a little bit more and give the whole page an even more balanced look. And I think I will just put on some Heidi Shine in gold to finish the whole thing. I really hope you like the layout and you are enjoying the Lift-a-thon, and yeah, you should click on the next video in my description box. Happy International Scrapbooking Day! Bye!